The Huckberry X Danner Mountain Mock 917 is part moccasin, part chukka, part sneaker, and part camp shoe. They're a mixed up hybrid, and I'm not sure if they belong in the city, in the forest, on the job, or on the trail. They a jack of all trades or a master of nothing. Welcome to Stray Reviews. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today, I'm reviewing the Huckberry X Danner Logger Mock 917. These are a unique collaboration that revives the old 1960s Danner canoe mock and adds some robust features for taking on the elements. These have a pretty robust suede upper with a partially gusseted tongue to keep the dirt out of your shoes. They have some grain side leather along the bottom, and the two are stitched together to give it that sort of like moccasin aesthetic. These have a Gore-Tex liner to keep your feet dry and a removable Ortholite footbed for a little bit of extra cushion. The midsole is a very lightweight EVA, much like a lot of running shoes I've seen. And the outsole is a grippy rubber Vibram 917 outsole, and that's the same one that's used on the Vertigo and the Logger Mock. These also come with an extra set of leather laces, and they are stitched down constructed so that they can be recrafted by Danner if they need to be. The mountain mocks go for $220 and they're made in Vietnam. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to take a closer look. So let's try and figure out what this strange resurrection is all about as we dive into the good, the bad, and the bottom line. Alright, let's start off with the good of the Huckberry X Danner Mountain Mock. First of all, when I pulled these out of the box for the first time, I couldn't believe just how light they were. This thick EVA midsole not only provides a lot of cushion, but it just hardly weighs a thing, and it makes these feel a lot more like high top performance sneakers than like a style piece. I did receive these a half size larger than my Brannock size, which is typical for me when wearing Danners, and for me the fit was just right. Not only do these feel like sneakers to hold, but they do feel a lot like sneakers to wear as well. They remind me kind of like of trail sneakers on my feet, but they look a lot like casual everyday Chukka boots. It's kind of funny because when these boots first arrived and I pulled them out of the box, I just didn't think much of them really. And then I tried them on and I was a little impressed. Then I wore them again, and then I wore them again and again, and they just kind of kept growing on me. I really do feel like I can go from campsite to town with the mountain mocks and keep my feet happy while doing it, which is really good because the last time I went camping, I did embarrassingly take 3 trips to Walmart in the middle of my camping trip. Hey, if you're as bad as I am at planning in advance for your camping trips, then tap that like button for me. Okay, so what about the bad of the mountain mock? Only 2 things really come to mind. The first thing is that these do seem to run pretty warm on my feet, and that's great for cooler months, but I really couldn't wear these things during summer. If you have naturally cold feet, then these might make a great choice for you all year round, but for me, these are going to wait for me in the closet during the warmest months of the year. The other thing is that I think that this design can be difficult to pair with like an outfit, or at least any outfit that doesn't include jeans. I wore these the other day with a pair of tan Levi's and they look great, but personally, I wouldn't wear them with chinos, but that's just my opinion. And they're not terribly subtle either. If you like to dress low key, then these definitely won't do the trick. That contrasting leather and that decorative stitching and the thick white midsole means that these are gonna get noticed whether you like it or not. But hey, sometimes it's fun to wear a nice conversation starter. What do you think about these aesthetics? Too loud? Just right? I don't know, let me know down in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna give you my bottom line opinion, but if you're getting some value out of this today, then I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll catch my upcoming reviews. All right, the bottom line is that yes, the Huckberry X Danner Mountain Mach 917 is a decent jack of all trades. They are a sneaker, Chukka, camp shoe, kick around towner, and they feel great on my feet doing it all. And I'm gonna hold on to these because I really just can't seem to stop wearing them. If you wanna see the other Huckberry X Danner 917 I reviewed, then check out this video here. I wanna thank Huckberry for providing these shoes for review. My opinions are my own, and I wanna thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.